Have you ever wondered how to build your own AI? Today, we will demystify the process and provide a roadmap that can turn this dream into a reality. AI, or artificial intelligence, has become a buzzword in the 21st century, underpinning advanced technology from self-driving cars to voice assistants. Building your own AI may sound daunting, but with a step-by-step approach, it becomes a fascinating journey of discovery. This process comprises 5 key steps: understanding AI and its principles, learning a programming language, mastering machine learning, delving into deep learning, and finally, creating your own AI project. Step 1 is understanding what AI is and isn't. AI is about creating systems that can perform tasks that usually require human intelligence. This includes learning from experience, understanding complex concepts, and even recognizing patterns. However, contrary to popular belief, AI doesn't mean creating sentient robots. It's about creating useful tools that can assist in solving complex problems. Step 2 involves learning a programming language. Python is a great choice for beginners due to its simplicity and readability. Furthermore, it has extensive libraries and frameworks that are specifically designed for AI and machine learning, such as TensorFlow and PyTorch. Step 3 is all about mastering machine learning. Machine learning is a subset of AI that involves teaching machines to learn from data. It's about creating algorithms that allow computers to learn from and make decisions based on data. This includes understanding concepts like regression, classification, and clustering. Step 4 takes you deeper into the world of AI with deep learning. Deep learning is a further subset of machine learning that uses neural networks with many layers. These deep networks are capable of learning from large amounts of data and are the technology behind many cutting-edge AI applications. Finally, step 5 is about applying what you've learned to create your own AI project. This could be anything from a simple chatbot to a complex AI that can recognize images or even predict trends. It's about taking the theory and applying it to create something that is both functional and exciting. To summarize, building an AI involves understanding the principles of AI, learning a programming language like Python, mastering machine learning and deep learning, and finally, applying this knowledge to create your own AI project. Remember, building an AI is not a sprint, but a marathon. It requires patience, persistence, and above all, a passion for learning. But the rewards are truly immense. Not only will you gain a deep understanding of one of the most exciting fields in technology, but you'll also have the skills to create AI systems that could potentially change the world. So why wait? Start your AI journey today. Before we wrap up, we have a small request. If you found this video helpful and want to see more content like this, don't forget to hit that like button, share with your friends, and subscribe to our channel. We have many more AI guides on the way. Your support helps us create more content and reach more budding AI enthusiasts like you. So let's keep the AI community growing together. Stay curious, keep learning, and until next time, happy coding!